Robotics integration has become a cornerstone of progress in modern industry, driving efficiency, precision, and scalability across a wide range of sectors. As companies strive to remain competitive, the adoption of advanced robotic systems offers significant advantages, from streamlining production lines to enhancing workplace safety. However, the journey towards successful robotics implementation is not without its challenges. Missteps during the integration process can lead to costly setbacks, reduced productivity, and missed opportunities. Understanding the common mistakes that organizations make is essential for ensuring a smooth transition and maximizing the benefits of robotics. In the following sections, we will explore these pitfalls and how to avoid them. One of the most frequent pitfalls when implementing robotics is poor integration with existing workflows. If robotic systems are not properly aligned with current processes, mismatches can occur, resulting in bottlenecks, duplicated efforts, or underutilized resources. These inefficiencies often stem from a lack of understanding of how robotics will interact with established routines and personnel. To ensure seamless workflow adaptation, it is crucial to conduct a thorough analysis of current operations before introducing new technology. Engaging stakeholders, mapping out process flows, and identifying potential points of friction can help anticipate challenges. Additionally, piloting robotic solutions in controlled environments and iteratively refining their integration can minimize disruptions and promote a smoother transition. Deploying robots with under-spec sensors and control systems can lead to significant operational challenges. Inadequate sensors may fail to accurately detect obstacles or changes in the environment, resulting in navigation errors or safety risks. Similarly, control systems that lack sufficient processing power or responsiveness can cause delays in decision-making and movement, reducing overall efficiency. These reliability issues can compromise the robot's ability to perform its intended tasks and may lead to costly downtime or maintenance. Selecting hardware and software that are properly matched to the operational demands is crucial for ensuring consistent performance and minimizing unexpected failures. By investing in appropriately specified components, organizations can enhance the reliability and effectiveness of their robotic deployments. Neglecting operator safety and user experience during robotics integration can lead to significant hazards and resistance among the workforce. Without careful consideration, poorly designed systems may cause accidents, injuries, or even long-term health issues for operators. Additionally, if robots are difficult to use or disrupt established workflows, employees may feel frustrated or anxious, reducing overall productivity and morale. Thoughtful engineering design addresses these concerns by prioritizing intuitive interfaces, clear safety protocols, and ergonomic solutions. When robotics are seamlessly integrated with attention to human factors, they not only safeguard workers but also foster acceptance and cooperation. Ultimately, investing in safety and usability ensures that technology enhances the workplace rather than introducing new risks. To avoid common pitfalls in robotics integration, engineering teams should prioritize thorough planning and cross-functional collaboration from the outset. Conducting detailed risk assessments and pilot testing can help identify potential challenges before full-scale deployment. Investing in ongoing training ensures that staff are equipped to operate and maintain new robotic systems effectively. Establishing clear metrics for success and regularly reviewing performance data enables teams to make informed adjustments as needed. Additionally, fostering a culture of continuous improvement encourages innovation and adaptability. By taking these proactive steps, organizations can achieve successful and sustainable robotics integration in industrial environments.